unbox.com.
Alright, we're going to do a little unboxing section of the video here. So, I have the GK Tech Roll Center Correction Kit. Comes with the two shanks. I already put it together, I couldn't wait. Really nice quality on the build. So that's going to be going on the hatch. You do need the extended outer tie rods, which I have ordered. And yeah, we'll see which box that one's in. Also ordered the eccentric SR throttle wheel for the coupe.
Where's my car parts?
So here we have the GK Tech subframe bushing risers. Nice packaging. Very nice machining. Feels sturdy. Yeah, not much to it. Comes with washers as well. And here we go, the latest package. A little bit of box damage. That's never a good sign. So I did order this from iRace, Ontario, Canada. Awesome site, awesome service. You get a little candy in there. Instructions. Another sticker. Two stickers. Little advertisement. iRace stickers. Alright, here we go. Here's the product. So they actually include these little dust boots, which is pretty cool. I'm going to be driving the car in everyday weather. It's not just going to be a track car, so I will be utilizing those. They come with 3 different lengths of tie rod ends. So these are the short ones. These are probably the long ones, and then the medium ones are installed in the actual end lengths, or the tie rod ends. Awesome. So this actually bolts to the knuckle right here, and then you can set how you want your tie rod end. Now I will be doing an install video on this, but I just want to do a little unboxing as well. Yeah.